Good morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. I'm very special, and guys, it's another beautiful day which God have granted us. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So in case you're new here, subscribe, comment, share, like. So today guys, I changed the location. Right now I'm in my neighborhood in Tanzania. So I want to visit one of my friend, and actually he make a call. So today we want to talk with one-on-one. So it's been long guys, and I don't want to introduce him right now here. They want to introduce himself. So guys, I hope everybody are doing good, and I'm just okay guys. I thank God for everything. So right now, that's how the nature of Tanzania looks like. It's the same at my village home in Kenya. So nothing to be changed here. Wow. So guys, it was my first day to be here, and I want to see how things go, you know. Let's go guys, let's go. Yeah, yes. Have a little girl right there saying yes. So that's how Tanzania looks like, and I'm heading this way, you know. Oh, I had a pig right there. Anyway guys, let's go. Life in Tanzania, you know. Wow. Let's see guys how things go. Okay. Mister, you good?
I'm good, brother.
Yeah, say hello to my people.
Hello guys. What's up guys? It's Elia here. Right now I'm just collect my son here,
Okay.
which was remaining. During that time I was making the blocks guys, so I must collect them too. You know, these have been remaining, so in a few days I'm gonna finish this because I'm waiting a lot of money.
Okay.
Yes
Guys, you remember Elia? He was a mason at Ayamara's villa, and then it's been long guys, so I didn't took myself here. He make a call and then say, hey bro, just visit me at home, and then maybe it was my first time to be here.
Yes.
How was everything, Elia?
I can say more because I thank for everything that my subscriber, that have done to me. You know, sometimes when I was being in Kolokolon there, English will disappear, guys.
Elia Kolokola? Okay.
That's why. So I make a call with you. That's why to show my subscribers that I'm back again, guys. So come to check me, follow me. If the first time to see me in Hello Baby, just subscribe to my channel, goes by the name it's_Elia guys.
Yes guys,
come and see more things guys. I'm back again
guys. Did you do a work of a mason?
Yes, also I can do.
Oh, because I have another project which is coming soon.
Yes.
Nataka mafundi wale professional. Sitaki anapiga ukuti na pinda.
Also, everyone knows my work, the way it was. During that time I was making at Ayamalwa house there. You see, I was called Mr. Collector there. So some work there, I must collect them to make sure that going be straight.
Okay, Elia.
By the way, you see that gate?
Which one?
That gate.
Yeah, I know.
That is my. I can.
That's your pure hard working.
I can't talk more. That's why, you know, everyone knows that. But this is some fixment that.
Okay, guys, my engineer, he was coming from Tanzania, and also he was my friend to mine. Maybe the mason will come to pick from Tanzania. You know, when you pick maybe somebody who is new to your home or site, they want to make sure doing perfect work, rather than maybe people who know around at home there. They're all going like zigzag. You know, I don't like things like that. Anyway guys, watch these videos till the end. So Elia will take me more. Even take me to the farm. Kwa shamba lenu mpaka tuende. Aya, show people around.
Yes guys.
Show people around. Let's go. Yes guys, let's go. This is your time. Yeah. Full time.
I know that.
No. Yeah, I just landed with my baby here. Yes. You know, all the way from Kenya.
Yes. Now what you see here, this has all these blocks have been reached up to 2,500.
This one?
Yes.
Oh my God.
The thing that we are going to make here, we want to change this home.
Yes.
We want to change this home, guys. You know,
Right here.
Yes. Some road must be passed along this side.
Oh, barabara inapita.
Yes, up to that side. So that's why.
So inabidi uhamishe.
Yes.
Unaiweka wapi?
Yes, from that side. You know, when you need to get to the pawpaw there, pawpaw tree there, upside there. Yes.
So unaleta nyumba huku. Ama.
Yes, I want to make it to be arranged.
Okay, guys, Elia was telling me that when you see the pawpaw, let me go closer. You know, when government say yes, no idea, you know, so the road will be passing here. Actually, where I came from, I think you see below here, there is a road. And then Elias says the road will pass, it reach here, going to other side. And then it means this house must be demolished.
Yes, up to here.
Samara watawafinya sana.
No, iko sawa. Na hii side yote mpaka juu iko sawa. That's why. So tunaanzia hapa, turudi hivi. Hapa tu ni juu tu ndo watachukua. Hiyo nyumba inabidi itengenezwe kwa hiyo side hapo juu.
Okay.
Animation. Guys, let me use this right. As we start with tumeanza na blocks, that's why, because tunahitaji kwanza tujue kwamba ile nyumba capacity itachukua blocks ngapi. Hatutaki kwamba hivi tunaanza alafu wetu blocks zinakwama. No. Tukianza tumeanza. Yeah.
Okay, guys, what they tried to mean, guys, when he was starting to build, he must know the number of blocks which that house will take. So they don't want to start like poor and then with maybe some few blocks and then the house stop. So that's the reason why he keep pushing, making 2,500. Me, I have 1,460. Which one I bought from Nairobi? Not this one. You know, the yellow one. Okay, yeah, it's more expensive. Yes. Also, this one is more expensive because you buy sand, cement.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Someone that will come to make it, you pay him. Okay. So that's why. So.
Okay, guys. So here, this house will be put X because the road will pass here, and then maybe you put a perimeter wall. Yeah. Okay, dear. Let's go to your project.
And there's some.
Today you are lucky. Yes, I'm telling you. Yeah, guys, I'm telling Elia today he was very, very lucky. Today's a special day.
You know that I can say that we reach up this side because I don't want to keep many animals. That's why, you know, in this time you can use more money to buy their foods, everything. Do you remember that during the party, as we was going to having a forecast of that food was remaining there. That's why. So in this time there's no food.
Area, I see your ratio is very, very concrete. Yes, how many bags of cement do you put in a wheelbarrow? In a wheelbarrow? In a three wheelbarrow? Unamesha wheelbarrow ngapi?
Zikuwa ni 10.
Mfuko moja.
Mfuko moja.
Wheelbarrow 10.
Wheelbarrow 4.
Oh. Na simiti ulikuwa unaona Tanzania ama Kenya?
Kenya.
Bana hii ni noma sana, hata zikinyeshwa ziweze haribika. Oh my God. Hey. You can step. Okay. Guys, I want to say congratulations to area, guys. It's not an easy thing. Making 2,000 plus blocks, man. This is crazy. Area man itamaliza kujenga nyumba. Umeweka yenye macho mekundu. Wakiona wewe. Sasa mimi nakaa najua. Naelewa. Okay, Elia, congratulations bro. Si kurukaruka hata wenye macho mabaya wakiangalia. Hawezi fanya kitu. Me, I want to say thank you so much and big congratulations because this step that you make from a mason, it's not an easy thing, guys. Imagine. Okay, Elia, take me around.
The thing that I I have it to say, to explain here, man. English word disappear, guys.
Okay, guys, he's saying Swahili and then I will explain a little bit.
I will learn English, guys. Yes. Kitu nitakacho kusema kwa all my subscribers is asante sana kwa kuwa na mimi for all time you being with me and then up to reach me up to here. Na washukuru sana wote walio support kipindi cha changamoto zote hizo nipitia, ukimya wangu wote, naombeni wote muweze kurudi kwenye channel yangu, maisha yazidi kuendelea na vingi vya kuonyesha, na pia natamani kama ukiwa na kazi jaribu kunitia. Just call me and then I will work for you, guys. Okay. Yeah.
Guys, I just said he was back again to the roots or to the field, and then subscribe to him, guys. Show him some love, and then if maybe somebody have some work, please contact with him. And then he was a nice or a professional mason. I'm telling you, guys. Me, I work with Elia since maybe, let me say, close to 4 months. I know him.
You know what?
Yes.
My all tools are inside, guys.
Okay.
Unaweza kusema kwamba hiyo ni kipaji.
It's your talent.
Yes, that was my talent, guys. Okay. To make a good, to looks very good, guys.
This is your neighbor or maybe?
He is home. All this is home, guys.
Hapa ndo kwako.
Yes. This is the way.
Oh, nivujenge man. Okay, guys, I'm asking Elia, is your neighbor or it is your home? Elia said it's my home, this is my parents' home. So they want to build your parents' home. Yes. Hey, I had the gain phone here. Let me show you guys.
Only one.
Look for the partner. You know, you can't, in this world, guys, you can't live without a partner. So I had the gain phone making noise here. It's a male one, so they're looking for the female. You see? See? I'm trying to show you that the green phone right there. It's afraid, you see? It's running. Okay, Elia. Take us around. Maybe to your parents' home for the first time, maybe.
It's outside. You don't like hapendi sana.
Oh. Twende kwako sasa.
I believe anafanya safi.
Haina shida. Kwa unaogopa nini?
I want to take you to around here.
Kwa nini ungeogopa? Ungeogopa. Tora ndani. Okay, let's go. So maybe things take a U-turn, guys. Let's take you maybe to the farm. Pure gambot. Hey. Okay, guys. So you mean the road we pass here? Maana umekura kubwa sana. Okay, guys, this is crazy. The road will pass here, and then it take areas shares. But for me, guys, I'm so happy to see how Tanzanian build the house, even the perimeter wall. No problem. Okay, yeah.
Safi, mbuya.
Mura. Oh, huyu ndo amefikisha nini? Sasa maana kama imefika hapa mbani zote zinaenda. Wapi? Hapa. Okay, guys. This is crazy. Tuenda kwa shamba sasa chini.
Sio hapa karibu.
Ni wapi? Mbali wapi? Mbali ni heaven. Twende. Yeah. So we have reached see where the road will pass, guys. All of this house will go. I don't want to be straight. Okay. Hey. Kwa singana gani kwenda huko chini? Si tunapita hapa. Tunaweza tembea tu tunaonyesha around. Si lazima tuende na pikipiki. Siko iko kwa nyumba, kuna mwenye kuchukua. Okay, guys, so it's time to go. Maybe here. No. No, put this side. Shikilia hapo. Hivyo. Okay, guys. It's time to go.
Rather, you look like a man. Yeah, through that jacket and the airbag. Even me, I can put it.
It's our family member. Tunapita huko. Yes, Nico. Okay, guys, let's go. Tanzanian vibe. At the same time when I'm riding, guys, I'm looking the plan. 20 straight. Hey.
Ona kupigia, ngoja nikupigie sasa hivi unaona ya kwamba inasumbua.
Wow. I'm passing here, guys. Looking at a nice plan from Tanzania, and then go back to Biol. Woo! Village life. Hey. Ni como wow, guys. You see, guys, some design from here, something special. Oh my God. Hey. Hey. Life in Tanzania, guys. Not what we expect. Wow. Something good. I see Good Valley Hotel right here. Good Valley Hotel. Wow. Hizi bloku ni za kuuza. Tafika mizani hapa turudi. I see some excavator, guys, or bulldozer. Kwani hii gari inafika hadi Bongo?
Inapeleka Tarime kabisa.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. Sinaweza enda ina hadi Tarime. Vitu kipi?
Lakini ufai kusimama. Yaani nende direct immediate yani kwa kusema hapo.
Kuzunguka. Okay, guys, let's go. Hey. Wow. Something special, eh? Hey, guys, subscribe, comment to our channel, guys. Right. Free. Man, ya nyororo. Ya gear. Ini teremke kwa gear mini lodge. Guys, there is a day I took Caster to Tarime. Hey, look at that Paris. Hiyo ni mji wa mtu? Unyama mwingi. Mwanamke ndo man.
Ona Kenya naona kuna
wapikipiki. Wapikipiki.
Anaendesha tu vizuri.
Yeah. I see the guy grazing cow here. See that one here? Standing comfortable. Hey. Here is a slow down. You see right there? Hakuna mwendo wa kasi. Mzee? Right. I see the guy pulling the cart. See right there. Yeah. Tunaweza pita na kamera hapa, si ndio? Hey. This is a Tanzanian way bridge right here. You see even right there. Hey.
Kenya.
Hey.
Kama mizani kama iko kwa maeneo gani?
Iko Awendo. Alafu kuna virunda kadi unasonga ziko nyingi kwa barabara, si moja tu. Yeah guys. This is a way bridge here. Hey. That is it. Oh guys, I'm back home and right now I'm from Tanzania. So I visited one of my brother and he make a call. And he make a call. Probably I received the call and then he say, oh, you know what, bro, just visit me at home. And it's long time, man. You know, it's long time. You try to imagine since the year of 2023 up to now, close to 2 years. So I decided to pay a visit and we made our videos. So I think if I have a job here for the mason, I will invite him, you know. Wow, that's my mama. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Yes. She was washing my sister's bag, you know, and I can't imagine it's a surprise. Guys, thank you everybody by keep supporting me. My God bless you abundantly, guys. Without you, even I can't remember how my mama she was struggling, and even right now she was fetching water here, putting here easily. It's by God's grace, man. If you know the history of this bohora, how it fights up right now, it's by God's grace. Sister, come and say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Yeah, guys, today's a sport day, so that's the reason why you see my sisters around here, and it's in a good way, you know. So guys, I'm trying to work so hard. I see whether I can get the remaining blocks and also cement, so I can able to start, you know, guys. So that's the only thing remaining to clear the remaining blocks and cement. I'll start from there. At least right now I have the starting point of material, you know. Mama, kuna nini kwa nyumba?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm asking Mama, what did you prepare? Mama said tea. I'm hungry at the house. Oh, okay. Mama, stay and do nipe jamani. Nenda ukengama. According guys to our culture, it's not allowed like to go in the kitchen serving. Maybe at the table you can serve, but in the kitchen, no. Mama, if you wanna serve me, you know, I'm totally hungry. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Hey. Wow. Let's see, guys. Yeah, it's a long journey, guys. You know. Let me sit here, guys. From here to Tanzania, it's not an easy thing. No. That's what Mama served me here. I'm a hot. That's githeri. It's called githeri. You know, they mixed of beans and maize corn. Mom, thank you. Yeah, I said thank you for the food, guys. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Let me go to my house and enjoy the food here, guys. You know. Yeah, try here. My house is purely quiet, guys. You know. So I'm gonna look for the tea. Oh my god. Yeah, this is where my mama keep tea. Imagine right there. Yeah, it's time to enjoy my food and then I go. Yeah, right here. This milk tea, and also I have organic food, guys. You know, guys, the reason why nowadays I didn't eat bread, when you eat too much bread, it's creates belly, you know, having a big stomach. So nowadays I decide to eat this local food, and which is good, which is important, nutrition to our body. Also, yeah, after this maybe I'll see when I can get $5. I can buy the white sweet potatoes or yams, you know. Yams or arrowroot, I don't know how it's called, but me I know it's arrowroot. And then man, I can enjoy for my breakfast. It tastes so delicious. And guys, in case you meet my videos, please subscribe, comment, share, like. You know, that's the best way we can support Hello Baby official, guys. You know, yeah, I'm just pushing myself every day, putting the video. And for my premiere again, if yesterday you missed the videos, today you get these videos in good time. Alright guys, so today I want to take you to the most new place. Let's go. You know, also there's my grandma borehole here. Wow, let's go. So to maneuver around, wow. When my time reached to say no, I'll say no. You know. Wow. Look at this, some roots here, guys. It's going deep. Hey. Whoa. If you follow that direction, so I don't know how long it take me to remove the logs, but I didn't understand. That's my African mom right there. You know, when they start removing logs, and then it reached a point I said no. Enough is enough. I wanna say no, because sometimes if maybe you allowed people like to stay there, you know, sometimes it keep pushing me to stay there, looking for them working. You know, if somebody didn't want to work, I'll say no. You just go. You better go. Right. So guys, today it's a special day in my village here, and let me check first our cows. You know, I love animals, man. I love animals. Yeah, I'm heading this way to see some cows. Wow. Yeah. Try to imagine how we're so blessed. Imagine all of my family members from here going that way up to other side. You know, I allow them to fetch water. Not only my family members, anybody around in my village who feel like they are closer to my home, they can come and fetch water, guys. You know, may I just have free heart to help the community. You know, that's how I was born and raised in our village. Wow. This one, they are aggressive. It will be somehow aggressive. So guys, also this message to reach at this point here, from our home up to here, we will see some trees right there, and then try to imagine he was my brother who managed the second round here. Hey, and right on time I met my brother. What's going on here? Why don't you like see the owner who plant maize and then you plant? You know the time is running, and then by September you'll be in school. Say hello first.
October, not December.
No, October?
Yeah.
October is, let me say right now we are in July. July, August, September, October. You're remaining with 3 months. Say hello to my
3 months
people.
or 1 month.
You say October?
Only, yeah.
It's 3 months because right now we are in June, no, July. So let's count August, September. Only
Not October, August.
August?
I was forgetting, yeah.
You join August?
Yeah, only 3 weeks.
Only 3 weeks to
3
go.
3 weeks, 4 weeks.
And then you haven't prepared the land, imagine.
I'm waiting this person.
No, go and look the owner of the land, okay. And then the owner of the land, they're supposed to take a responsibility, okay. Who handle on this period or season. They can harvest maize, it's already to dry, and then you plow, you plant, and then you go.
Right.
Or you go to school and then you come back.
No, I don't want to come back.
Okay, find the owner of the land, you know him, and then tell him you want to plant maize in good time, and then as you go.
All right.
Let's say first week of August you plant maize and then you go.
Yeah.
Imagine. So maybe somebody watching my videos and then you don't know who I'm speaking with. That's my brother, and I just meet with him random here. You wanna say hello?
Hello, guys.
You good?
Yeah.
Should I open for you a YouTube channel? Maybe you can do videos as a university student.
Yeah.
Are you able to manage?
Yeah.
Be serious.
I'm serious.
Because if you spend 4 years in university study, you can do also something. When maybe you have a free classes, you can do vlogging at your school there. Yeah. you know, washing clothes, you can shoot the videos and then you upload. You know, I'll show you how to upload, you know, videos. You do like 9 minutes, and then boom. Imagine right now you're remaining when you spend maybe from the year of 2026, and then when you come here back again on September, that's second year. Imagine again second year, you find yourself pushing, you know, slow.
Yeah.
And at the same time, when I'm visiting you there, you can also make a video. My brother visited me at school, and then only 5 minutes. It's enough for you. Yeah. And then maybe if you finish school, by the time you're waiting a job or to employed, you can keep pushing, making videos. You know, you never know.
Yeah.
Maybe you wanna start maybe behind on me, and then you'll be forward. You know, things will be maybe fall vice versa. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this journey?
Yeah.
Because, like, I don't want to see like I'm trying to pushing you to do YouTube. If you feel free, and then I can open for you a YouTube. So doing videos, upload in school, have free Wi-Fi, you can upload the videos.
Yeah.
Or maybe you don't have that courageous of maybe shooting the videos. Because it's your life, you know, it's your life, you know. So that being said, when you have free classes, so like today, maybe you join class maybe afternoon. In the morning, you can make maybe 5 minutes, morning routine, you know, cooking videos, you know. You can create cooking videos as a single student in university. You can maybe make a video the way you meet with your friends in school, you know. You can do video also how maybe, do you say class teacher or lecturer?
A lecture.
Yeah, you can maybe do a short videos showing people how lecturer taught you in class, you know, so many things.
Yeah.
You know, maybe traveling from home to school, that's our videos. You know, reuniting with your mama or reuniting with your family, that's videos. Yeah. You're well educated. You know some title how to write, you know, the meaning of these videos. Things like that. Yeah. You know. Okay. I'll allow you to go, but if you're thinking of that, you're free to go. Imagine like my cousin. He opened, you know, recently time. I think in the month of February this year. Right as he was 1,000 subscribers. People can make it, man. Start to push, you never know tomorrow. Where are you heading to?
I'm going to see my phone.
Your phone? Yeah, imagine guys, we're charging at our neighbors here because they have off-grid solar panel. I think this home next, so they're going to pick their phones. Yeah. Maybe guys, maybe, who knows? You know, when I get the solar, my family can't struggle like the way my brother's struggling from our home all the way to our neighbors. You know, the good thing about in our village here, if today charge your phone to your home, tomorrow, like the fourth trip, you wanna start maybe had some information. Oh, it's too much. Maybe you can go there and make a story as you come. Yeah, okay, you go. Will find me here. Okay. So guys, I was checking our cows before we leave, but I met with my brother there. Yeah, they are grazing here. So we have a sweet talk. Yeah, we have an egg. They have already full. I don't know which time my mama grazed this cow. Right. So guys, let me sit here as I wait to my brother, guys. So I was giving him some tips. If they feel free, they can open the channel and then keep pushing, you know. Maybe they can spend, let me say, close to maybe 8 months to 1 year, and then start earning maybe money from YouTube, so he can able to pay rent, you know, buying foods. If one book miss, they can buy, you know. So yeah, even me, I'm trying my best. Make sure that my brother going to school, my sister. Right now they're all in home, so I make sure they eat every day, you know. But there's advantage to be, I want to say advantage or disadvantage, I don't know, to be a firstborn in our family. You know, me, I can't complain, guys, because I have been so blessed, you know. So I use that chance to support my family, you know. When maybe one of my siblings, they can finish up, can say, oh, one day my brother helped me, so it's time to help my brother, you know. One day, you never know. Right now, I'm just struggling right left center to make sure that he gets well educated. All of them. I think we have 3 kids. We are 4. And then I'm the firstborn. So our secondborn, which I was talking with him. And then our thirdborn he was a boy. And then our lastborn, he was a girl child. So I'm trying to push myself to make sure that all of them have well educated, well knowledgeable, you know. If maybe one day they remember, oh, my brother helped me on this section, so it's my time to help my brother. They also do so. So I realized right there we have no more light. That's the reason why I exchanged the direction, guys. Okay, guys, I'm still waiting him, and I want to know for the last appointment or for the last point what he think about, you know. If it's no, it's no. If it's yes, it's yes. Because maybe he'll see like I'm forcing him, but I'm trying to help him in other way, you know. Yeah. Whew. Oh my God. So let me see him, because he was taking too much time. Yeah. This is a beautiful land in Africa. Also, this land have been on sale. If maybe want to have a land in Africa, where you see some small trees right now, the land it's under sale, you know. Back month, I think in the month of February, I was saying the land have been on sale. This one here, and it has a lot of trees. It's more expensive, but nowadays the owner cut trees down, and then it means the lower the price of the land. Hey, okay, guys, let's go. The GoPro which I'm using, guys, it doesn't show pure picture or clear picture. I think GoPro 11, it's number 1, you know. Or it's because when I'm showing too much on the sun, I don't know, guys. But if you see me clear, guys, that is it. Yeah, this scales here, you know. Also, my neighbor really trying the best. Wow. So, guys, I'm thinking maybe by tomorrow morning it's time to fix the boha at my neighbor's or at my friend's land. Yeah, my brother just come here. Yeah, we are charging our phones here. So your phone is full?
It is 16%.
Yeah?
16.
Yeah, give your phone time. Okay, guys. So I need your last word. So maybe if you're walking and then you think, oh, my brother forcing me like on this and this, I need your last word. If somebody watching these videos, let me stand here, guys. If somebody watching these videos, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Because I'm repeating this. I have my fans who watching my video. They say, oh, hello, baby. Why do you force your brother? Me, I'm just asking you. If you're ready, I can open even today. And then you start making videos.
I'm ready.
If maybe you're not ready, finish your school and then we can handle things.
I'm ready.
You're ready?
Yeah.
Okay, in the evening I'll show you.
All right.
When I have enough data, I'll show you how to open a YouTube channel and also shooting the videos, uploading. Only that's 3 tips. Yeah, imagine this is a borehole here, guys, and it's around 56 feet. It's deep, but all collection of water. It's going like chuburu. You see water below here. You think it's near here. If you fall inside, you will see longer life. Okay, my brother, me, I'm still going. Yeah, taking around my fans to see green nature. You know, the good thing about village life, it's maybe purely nature, green nature, super organic. You know. Yeah. You maybe if I pass maybe somewhere else, someone say, oh hello, maybe I see some area have maybe a nice view, and then I say, okay. Wow. All right, guys, let's go. Okay, bro. See you later. Okay. So I was having a little bit conversation with my brother. So that's how we talk with him, and then you know, we handle the issues. Because maybe, I don't know, maybe if we have intention to open YouTube and then he didn't want to say in front of me, but today something pushing me, you know, to ask him if he was able. I can do that, guys, you know. Yeah, at the same time, I don't want to leave my family behind, you know. Family come first. Okay. We keep moving, man. Keep moving, keep moving. We also have my good neighbors here, you know. Yeah. Sometimes it's good to have good neighbors. Maybe you find yourself in trouble, they can help you. Oh, it's too hot. Let me open here. Wow. So guys, I'm heading this way. When I reach down there, and then I'll pass a shortcut on that forest. We can't imagine there's a house. And then I was working there as a handman. That's where I met with my engineer who brings some blocks to my home. I paid him. That's how we know each other. And then when I didn't have a job, also I was working toward in Mabera with him, guys. But it reached a point when I found myself on this platform, and then I say, God, thank you, you know. So on this life, guys, what I believe, every step has some challenges. Every step has some challenges, and if you're born in this world, you must pass challenge. That's priority number 1. And then the next step, you start enjoying, you know. For example, if I walk here and then I knock my leg on the road here, I haven't knew, like, I would maybe left home, I'm on the way, and then I knock my leg on the rock, you know. You never know. But I'm using that terms to explain or to elaborate more. In this world, every human being must pass some challenges here and there. Let's move, guys. Wow, hey, clear view, guys. Yeah. It's a long time, guys. Long time, you know. So you can't imagine this road have been it's a public road which running from other side going this way, but they try to use a shortcut to branch here, you know. Going other side, it's not a public road, but they force to pass there. because the public one will pass here. So today I'll show you guys right here. So you see all of those gap up to here. There's supposed to be a road here. You know. So today my video might end up in bushy. You never know, guys. You know, I'm passing here. This is where I'm supposed to pass, going to my neighbor, working as a handman, you know, and all stuff. Yeah. And when I was a kid, guys, the crazy thing is I came here to fetch firewood inside here, guys. Inside here. We can't imagine, guys. Inside here, within here. But nowadays, if I have been mature enough, no more fetching firewood. Imagine, we go deeply, and then we kneel down looking firewood, the dry one. Okay. Got the maize corn right here. See. Yeah. I wanna pass inside here, guys. Yeah. It is a peaceful forest, guys. You know. Okay, guys. Pass inside here. Oh, guys. I use this as a shortcut. Oh my god. Village life, guys. Yeah. I was born and raised in Africa. So passing inside here is not a big deal. You know? Yeah. Yeah. It's a peaceful forest. You know? Like not scared forest. And it's a man-made. You know? Yeah. The owner of that forest is a nice guy. I'm telling you. And I know him. Wow. So guys, I use this as a shortcut. And then you will see where I'm heading to. Yeah. You will see where I'm heading to. Oh my god. Oh, huh. Finally, guys, I made. Yeah, you see where I'm passing through? So it's supposed to be, I think right here, it's supposed to be a public, you know, a public road. Passing there, going that way. Wow. Let's go. Yeah, these stones, it's from the mining. You see, like this one here, when you see white stones like this, where the mining gold, we normally found these stones there. I think I can walk up to the sunrise cave. Oh man. Okay. Wow. See, from that's also a beautiful stones. Okay. Whew. Let's go. And then I'll stop there at Sunset Cave. Wow. So I'm pushing these videos in order for my premiere game to get this series and watch till the end. So today I think I'll upload my videos earlier as much as possible. Also, those are medicinal, guys. Look, we normally pass here, we found some medicine. Man, this is crazy. Comment on the comment section, let me know the name of this medicine, guys. You see the leaves, you can also master, and then you drop the sweet comment I can able to see, guys, to master that on my mind. So that medicine I know in our local, they used to treat especially young or a newborn baby. You know, I know that. But I didn't know the name in an English name. I didn't know. Hey. So sometime, guys, I left my bike, I walk, you know. Whew. Yeah, hello baby, for sure. There's a song I know, but I forget that musician. Born to Suffer. I was born to suffer. Born to suffer. You know, no matter when life is hard or simple, you are born to suffer. Yeah. Sometimes, guys, I do listen. You know, sometimes, let me say, guys, I listen Jamaican song. Like especially for the popular musician like Bob Marley, like Dube, Washington. When I'm sitting inside my house, I was listening that song, you know, like Jamaican song. It really motivates maybe some other people. If maybe you are a bad guy, you need to be a good guy. If maybe you're in a bad group, you need to be on a good group, you know. So I spend all my time to listen Jamaican song, and since I was a kid, man, even my dad, you know, he was listening Jamaican song, and also maybe we inherit from our parents, especially from my dad, up to nowadays, man. Well, that's how I get, you know, I get motivation, guys. I can make it in life. No matter what, when life is hard, it doesn't matter, you know. When I said let's go, I mean let's go. Wow. So guys, we are still going, and I remember I came from far, I go far. Please guys, give a video a like, watch till the end, don't skip ads, and also guys, subscribe. If you feel free, guys, you wanna share my videos to your friend, maybe 1, 2, 3 friends, so they can able to get notification and then support Hello Baby Official. Yeah. It's so hot. It's so hot, guys. Even I'm sweating. But I'm pushing this video to be long. You know? Okay, guys. Okay, the cow grazing here. That improved one. There's a school bus. Whoa. Hey, cheapers. So guys, I'm heading to have a rest at Jose's place, and then I think I'll end my videos there. So today I don't want my video to be longer, you know. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. I see the motorbike, the same the motorbike that I have, but a different car. You know, I love the blue color, guys. So today it's so sunny, too hot. So we're heading in the month of July, a dry season, and in Swahili they said nyakati za kipupu, wakati wa kipupu, you know, too much cold in the morning, and then at the same time it's dry, you know. Yeah. So at this particular month, it's time for the farmers to harvest something from the farm. Guys, from my home, I found myself at Jose's place. Within here, let me count some posts. 1, 2, the third one at Jose's place. Right, guys, I'm almost, you know. So I said the third post will be there. So count, guys, with me. 1. That's number 1 post. So guys, you wanna count with me? Post number 1, and then we're heading to the second one right there. You know. Okay, let's go. Yeah, a nice view from this place here. You see by yourself. Right. Yeah. Oh. Okay, guys. Second post right here. You see, come along with me, guys. And then the third post or pole is just over there. That's why I'm heading to end my life, like my video, not my life. From a distance, even I see Jose is working. Serious working, guys. And then I stop here at Jose's place, and I start converting my videos. Fish. Guys, this is where I come to rest. Then my phone is overheating. Let me remove my jacket first, because I realize where I'm sunny. Niko poa. Vile nimesweat sana. Yeah, I'm telling you, sir. I'm supposed to remove this jacket, and I sweat too much. Whew. You know the reason why I wear that jacket? If I found the border, they can ride me back home. This cement here. Hey, balance stones. Money talk.
Yes, Mr. Hello Baby.
Yeah,
How are you, my friend?
I'm good.
You're good.
Okay. This is a hammer. Is it hammer? Yeah.
Welcome here.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm doing good here.
Okay.
As you see.
The owner of this project, you good, bro?
I'm good, bro. How are you?
I'm good.
Welcome.
Guys, this was fair. You want to extend this structure?
Yeah, I want to extend.
Maybe on top you'll put a house.
Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. Guys, what's up? This is Yama_Sea, coming live from the Sunset Cafe. And we are working on this, the JBL structure.
JBL?
Yeah. We need to just, we are doing the extension. And then I trust and believe that everything gonna be well. How's your day, bro?
My day is good. So just pull up here.
Yeah.
I want to end my video here.
Okay. You're welcome, bro.
Okay.
I'm glad to be hosted. And guys, subscribe to the channel and also share the link. Show love always. Yeah. Okay. So we are working over here.
I see your plan. Maybe you want to put another house on top.
Imagine.
Oh, kwa hivyo kuna wife hapa. Kuna wife?
Yeah.
Na upload hapa tu. Si walikuwekea strong nini uploading?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm lucky. So today I didn't spend my money to buy data. I will upload here because I see the router. Is router cable or Wi-Fi?
It's the router.
Boom! Yeah. Okay guys, we shall meet on the next video. I love you guys. Let's meet tomorrow guys. Bye.
Yeah.